Hey y'all, it's your girl Ree from Texas. Thank you for tuning in to another great video. In this video today, we're going to be doing a full face from scratch. You see your girl ain't got nothing going on but a clean face. What I wanted to highlight in this video today is these brushes that I got from Amazon. I do have them on my Amazon storefront, Ree from Texas. So in this brush box, you get 16 different brushes. So I decided I wanted to see if we could use all of these brushes and no other brushes just to create this complete full look. The look I'm going for is more of a fall holiday look. So something you can wear to fall outings, whether it's at a pumpkin patch, at Thanksgiving, you know, events like that. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on in terms of warm colors, face looking good, lipstick. We're going to see where we're going with the lipstick in terms of that. But this brush has an angle brush, which is the first one. So I'm reading off of this paper here. Oh, you know what I could do? I guess I could pull them out and show you guys a few of them. Okay, so let's see. The first brush is an angle brush. Is this the angle brush? Yeah, this is the angle brush. Well, hold on, let me make sure. Okay, yeah. So this is the angle brush right here. I was wondering if they had them numbered, but they don't. So this is the angle brush, which is good for blush and bronzer. So we're gonna set this over to the side because we're gonna be using it for, I guess we can use it for blush. This is a tapered brush, best for concealing the under eyes and nose area, which are hard to reach. Oh, no, that's brush 5. I'm sorry. I'm like, I know y'all lying. Child, this is a flat angle brush, fits all areas of the face seamlessly. So I'm guessing this would be good for blending everything in at the end. So we'll set this on over to the side. 3 is a face flat brush, which is this brush. And blend liquid or cream products onto the flat areas of the face, such as forehead and cheeks. I'll set this over here to the left side because I'm probably not going to be using that one. 4, round brush, buff. Where's the round brush that they're speaking of? This one right here. Buff powder foundation application. Okay, let me see. I like a good, this is good. Okay. I'm trying to see how we're going to be buffing. Is that going to be a good buffer? So I'll put this over to the right because we'll use that. Okay, now 5 is this brush right here, which is a tapered brush. Best for concealing the under eyes and nose areas. Let me see. It's kind of big for my liking, but I'm going to sit it over to the left for now. If we do need to use it, we'll definitely pull it out. But for now, it's going to go on over to the left. All right, so 6. These get a little tricky, child. 6 is it in here? Okay. Oh, yeah, I got a whole bag full of stuff. I'm like, hold on, because I know better. Okay, so this is 6 right here, which is an angled eyeshadow brush. And we're going to put this to the right because we're going to be using it for some eyeshadow. 7 is a blending brush, which has an angle to it. Now, this is something I would like to use either for my eyes or for concealer. So we'll put this to the right. We're going to figure out what we're going to use it for. 8 is a concealer brush. Let me see where you it. Looks like it's this one. Yeah, this is 8 right here. 8 is a concealer brush. So we'll actually use this for concealer then. And 9 is this 9? Yes, this is 9 right here. And they're considering this a detail brush. And 10 is this little baby right here. I like this right here. 10 is considered a classic detail brush. So I'm thinking we could use this for some inner detail work. 11 is a precise brush. I do like this. Look at something coming out of it. I was trying to get it out. But this is considered a precise brush, which I'm not sure we're going to be using this unless we use it to blend some lipstick. So we can put this on over to the right. So 12 is an angled detail brush. Okay, angled detail brush. I'm still not seeing why we'll be needing this in this go around. So I'll put that over to the left. 13 is considered an eyeliner brush. Nice. We'll probably be using this because I got some cream eyeliner that I would like to use at the bottom and possibly in the inner. So we'll put this over to the right. And y'all know we need this right here. This is, we didn't completely skip on over to $15. So this is 15. Y'all know what this is. This is an angled brow and eyelash brush. We will definitely be starting with this one. This right here is 16. It's a lash and eyebrow brush. I don't see why I'd be needing it, especially since I got that. So we'll put this on over this way. And I did skip 14, which is a fan brush. I guess for the sake of this video, we could use it for some highlighter. I really don't use fan brushes that much anymore. But for the sake of the video, we'll probably just use it. So stay tuned if you want to see how I use all these brushes to create the perfect fall look. Because that's what we going, honey. It's your girl Ree from Texas, and we're going to get right into the video. Listen, baby, listen, these brushes is worth every dollar. They are in my Amazon storefront. Riri from Texas. Under the beginner kit makeup, I didn't use no other tools but these brushes. Some of them I did have to reuse. These are the 3 that I did not use. Oh, I should have probably used this one more for my lips or something. We did a new lip because I didn't want to be doing too much for y'all on the holiday tip. I know y'all, some of y'all, you know, y'all ain't with the red or the darks and stuff like that. So this new lip is definitely perfect for whatever occasion. So yes, like, subscribe, comment. Leave me a comment. Let me know if y'all would have preferred a darker lip. I think this one is just fine, but if you would prefer something darker, please let me know. Yes, let's get into it, y'all. I'm so excited. Thank y'all for following me to the end. And it's your girl Riri from Texas. I am out.